Have you ever wondered what it feels like to live life on your own terms without worrying about money? Many people dream of a life where finances don't control their choices, giving them the freedom to live as they wish. But how can you tell if you're heading in the right direction? In today's video, we'll go over 8 clear signs that show you're on the path to achieving financial freedom. 1. You're debt-free. Eliminating debt is a crucial step toward financial freedom. High-interest debt, such as credit card balances and personal loans, can drain your finances through costly payments and create a reliance on borrowing, hindering true independence. While some debts, like mortgages, may be manageable, reducing and eventually eliminating high-interest debt is essential. Being debt-free means gaining the freedom to make choices, invest in your future, and live without the constant stress of repayments. If financial freedom is your goal, focus on becoming debt-free. It's a vital step toward achieving independence and peace of mind. 2. You have a budget and you stick to it. Having a budget means creating a plan for your money and sticking to it, like a financial map. It helps you track where your money goes, prioritize spending, save more, and avoid unnecessary purchases. By following a budget, you're less likely to face debt or financial struggles, whether you run a business or have a regular job. A budget also helps identify areas where you might be overspending, allowing you to adjust. Practicing discipline, like resisting the urge to overspend even when you have extra money, shows delayed gratification. This focus on long-term goals is a strong sign you're on the path to financial freedom. 3. You have an emergency fund. Over 57% of Americans can't handle a $1,000 emergency, showing a lack of financial preparedness. An emergency fund is essential for covering unexpected expenses like medical bills, car repairs, or job loss without relying on debt or dipping into savings. Ideally, this fund should cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses and be kept in an accessible account. It protects your finances, prevents debt, and keeps your goals on track. Building an emergency fund demonstrates financial responsibility and is a key step toward achieving financial freedom. 4. Living within your means. Are you spending less than you earn and budgeting wisely? Financial freedom isn't about how much you make but how well you manage it. Living within your means, spending less than you earn, is a cornerstone of financial stability. It ensures you can cover essentials, save, and invest in opportunities to grow your wealth. This approach requires discipline to prioritize needs over wants and avoid unnecessary spending. While it may involve short-term sacrifices, it prevents high-interest debt and supports long-term financial goals, a clear sign you're on the path to financial freedom. 5. You buy your car in cash. Cars can be a major financial drain, but buying one with cash shows strong financial discipline. It reflects careful planning, saving, and avoiding unnecessary debt. This responsible approach demonstrates you're living within your means and prioritizing long-term stability. Paying for a car outright also removes monthly payments and interest, freeing up money for other goals like investing and building assets. By practicing these principles, you'll be on track to financial security, independence, and the freedom to pursue your dreams. 6. You pay bills on time. Paying bills on time is a key sign you're on the path to financial freedom. It shows responsible financial management and discipline, helping you avoid debt and late fees. Consistently meeting your obligations maintains a positive credit history, which is important for securing favorable loans in the future. On-time payments allow you to focus on savings, investments, and building a financial cushion. If you avoid missing payments and debt, you're keeping your finances healthy and on track for financial freedom. 7. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Lifestyle inflation happens when people start spending more as they earn more, which can harm financial well-being. For example, if someone gets a raise and buys a bigger apartment, fancier car, or nicer clothes, they are experiencing lifestyle inflation. The issue is that the more you spend on these things, the less you have to save, invest, or prepare for emergencies. Even if you're making a lot of money, you might still struggle to pay bills if your spending increases too much. In contrast, people who live modestly, even with a high income, often save more and build wealth. These individuals, like the millionaire next door, understand that saving money is more important than showing off. If you're focused on saving and living within your means, not trying to impress others, you're on the right path to financial freedom. 8. Continuous learning about finance. Understanding money and how it works is key to financial freedom. It's not just about having a lot of money, but using it wisely. This means actively seeking knowledge through books, seminars, or trusted financial channels like this one. You recognize that the financial world is constantly evolving, with new laws, investment opportunities, and technologies impacting your finances, so you stay informed. You're not afraid to ask questions or seek advice when needed, knowing that each piece of knowledge adds to your financial toolkit. Personal growth is also essential to financial freedom. Developing discipline, patience, and adaptability helps you make wise decisions even in tough times. This proactive approach is a crucial sign you're on the right path to financial independence. 9. You have multiple streams of income. Consider your income streams. Do you rely on just one or have you diversified? Having multiple sources of income is a key sign you're on the right track to financial freedom. By adding income streams like a side business, investments, or rental income, you create financial stability. If one source stops, others can still support you, providing a safety net. Diversifying not only protects you but also opens up opportunities for growth. If you're working on building multiple income streams, you're moving toward financial freedom. If not, it's never too late to start. Each step brings you closer to your goals. If you found this video useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to not miss our future uploads. See you in the next video.